going to start with a pound of hamburger, and we're going to fry that up. Okay, so now we're going to add a packet of chili seasoning or taco seasoning, doesn't matter. Garlic powder. The recipe will be in my description. Picante sauce or taco sauce, whichever's easy, whatever you have on hand. And cheddar cheese. Mix that all up. I'm trying to stir this up really good because it's going to go in the wrappers. And we're going to take our wrappers, lay them out. You're going to put some of this down the center of your wrapper, like this. This is actually my first time making an egg roll out of this. So we'll see how this wrapping goes. I'll take them up over the top like that. Take the side over like that. And the other side, oh, pretty good. And we're gonna fry them in a frying pan. You're supposed to use electric skillet. I have one, but I thought maybe not everyone has one. I'm gonna use olive oil. I'm gonna make it like about, it's not very deep, about like, I don't know, that's an inch, but I'm gonna fry both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so. Over the filling. Wet that a little bit. See? See how that looks? And then I'm gonna, so I brought it up, the bottom up, side over and then side over, and then I'm gonna take the top and bend it over. So that's, looks a little bit better. It's not really hard to do. I imagined it was gonna be hard to do. So now you're supposed to put them in the oil, 2 to 3 minutes on each side. See how evenly it's, like how the grease is doing? That's how it should be doing. And then seal the top. Wow, that's almost perfect. Look how that looks. Oh, see how that didn't stick? Gotta wet it a little bit. Okay, looking good. I might have to turn this down a little bit. Okay, so we take them off. How nice that looks. A plate. The more I make, the better they look. So I'm going to make like something to dip them in. So it's a cup of picante sauce, and a half a cup of sour cream. Stir that around. See how good that looks? These recipes, they don't always turn out good.